I'm Yalan.
I'm Maddie. It's Chai.
I'm Emily.
Josh.
And we're Taipei Design Group.
Taipei Design Group.
Taipei Design Group.
Over the past semester, the 11th and 12th graders together made our own design company called TDG. But before that, we went on a field trip to Jingsan, where we did lots and lots of fun team building activities. Like this one, where we had to stand on a thin pole and figure out how to get past each other to arrange ourselves in order of our birthdays, but in complete silence. Or this one, where we all had to step on this plank while keeping it completely balanced on both sides. But after the 2-day trip, it was time to go back to school. In our new company, there are 3 departments. The marketing team led by Yalan, design team led by Richard, and the community outreach/product team that was joined together, co-led by Jai and Flora. Each department worked together to find clients, make products, and come up with our own unique designs, all the while basing it on our central idea, which looks at the relationship between design and accessibility for all.
Right, hi everyone, my name is Richard. I am the design team leader. So as TDG, our first project was actually creating our logo, so it was quite a hard project just to start off with. I remember the stacks came first, so that was a little part on the left side of our logo. But then typography was quite an issue for us with the logo because originally we had this permanent marker type logo, which I didn't feel fit with our brand nor our stacks. I felt it was a bit too on the other side of art for me. So that's actually where I came in and decided to basically present a few more fonts and ideas to Austin just out of pure passion. And the next thing we worked on was actually our business card. And once again, it was like, it took a long time because there's a lot of back and forth. And Catherine, who's one of our designers too, she made this cool out with TDG and the stacks all over, like on corners and stuff. And I immediately just told Austin, like, I want that on a business card. And that's where Alfia took over and put it on a business card. And yeah.
After that, it was time to start making designs for our clients. Our first client was the other PBL class, the Strawberry Frog Thrift Shop.
Hi, my name is Catherine and I'm one of the designers from TDG. This business is the first business that we had. They want something strange, and the most important 2 elements they want to have in the poster is a frog and also the strawberry. So I go on some website and find some feelings and any colors that I can use. And this is the first poster I came up with. You can see the words is combined with the neon style. This is the second one. The last one, which is their favorite. They choose this one to be their final poster. This time, I choose the Procreate to do the better design for them. And this is also the first time I try on that tools. We have to have 25 thumbnails on our sketchbooks just to find the best stickers design for them. Has some very simple color and some kind of composition that what I will have for the stickers. And after that, I will evaluate it more and more and more. This is like the final feelings that we decided to have for their stickers. And at the final, we decide the words that under the stickers, we will choose the color like this. After this learning, I started to know how this is like for design things for people. Your work is not only about what you want. I have to communicate with my clients more and ask very specific questions about what they need to help them find out what they really want.
A little later, Jackson, along with a few of his teammates on the product team, were working on designing their own clothing line.
Hi, my name is Jackson. I'm on the part of the TDG group and also part of the TDG product team. At the time that I think about the project, I feel like this brand only will be established for a few months or week. So that's why I named this project as side brand. I actually did a lot of mistakes while when I'm doing the make design process because I didn't follow the step that our teacher gave to us, and I didn't ask any people for help or their opinion. In addition, we're making a t-shirt using screen printing instead of the hot pressure machine. Screen printing can bring customer the type of handmade feeling. Although it's like we accidentally messed up few of the t-shirt, but we still have a great selling point at the end. We're selling on the Strawberry Frog thrift shop. We still sell 5 of them out. So I think that's a good outcome.
Meanwhile, the marketing team is also busy making content.
Hi, I'm Yalan and I am the leader of the marketing team. Our team is responsible for doing all the marketing stuff, and we use this primarily social media platforms to advertise and promote our project. And we also posted a blog article weekly on our website for people to see and learn. So we have structures on how we manage our social media. Each week we would have a different campaign for a project that we have working on with a community partner. Let's say that's for the visually impaired organizations. And then for another week we would have another campaign about another project that we have working with another community partner.
Moving on to the community outreach team. After all their struggles, they were able to secure collaboration with our first community partner, the Center for Visually Impaired Seniors.
Hello, my name is Chai. I'm the leader of Community Outreach and Product Team. The Visually Impaired Association is mainly to help the visually impaired in the society, to provide some service assistance. The main problems in content by the association is that they don't have extra time to run the website and redesign their brand logo. They want us to help them to redesign the logo and provide them some brand package and the poster that can use it to post it on the internet.
After being in contact and also doing more research about the organization, the design team and community outreach team came together to try and help.
Hi, this is Althea. I'm the designer from TDG, who is responsible for our cooperation with the Anyang Welfare Visual Impaired Association. They are now facing a difficulty, which is their logo, poster, or just branding in general can't really demonstrate who they are and connects to others. Also, the past designs are already out of date. So during the brand research, I find out that there are actually interesting elements within their original logo and brand setting, like the white cane and the ideas of clouds. So I decided to carry on that and just make the new version of design more modernized and fits their association better. And when I was working on the logo design team had talked about that how can we make our design more accessible to those people who had visual impairment. And we thought about that blue and orange are often being used in apps or computer programs as a contrast color mode choice for those people who had color blindness. So that's how the color blue and orange been designed. This way, the logo and branding can work for a greater range of people.
We also worked on some projects for the school.
Hi, I'm Aaron Lai. For me, I was doing the vaping poster. He wants me to make a poster that can make a lot of teenagers stop vaping and take care of their body. After I finished my first level design, I showed to Julia to see which one will she prefer and where can I fix the mistake. And after that, each level I will give Julia a new poster that I designed. And inside the poster is a thing that Julia wants me to redo it and fix. We used a meme that comes from internet that was the Will Smith smash Chris Rock in the face. And second, I was putting a lawn that was very disgusting and got destroyed after vaping.
Our second community partner is the Love Rabbit organization. So with the experience of working with our first community partner, working with this one was a lot smoother and easier. We communicated with email back and forth, and we found out that they didn't actually want any posters or logos designed, since they already had people in their team to do that. So we came up with the rabbit bags idea because the rabbit shelter has so many rabbits under their care, so we couldn't possibly represent all of them using one design. So I thought it would be nice if we chose some of the rabbits and make prints based on what they look like and their stories. So that way we could focus better on individual experiences, and we could also help shed some light onto why the work that this organization is doing is so important. And the community outreach team and product team came together to make it happen. We also made a separate video talking about the entire process that can be found in the product team section or at the end of this video. In between these projects for our clients, our teachers also included activities and lectures so that everybody can understand more about design elements, processes, and the value that comes with good marketing. A big part of that is our Burger Bus project. For this project, we had to design a logo, brand packages, make advertisements and pitches for an imaginary startup food truck. This way, we get to experience how all these elements of business and design can influence, interact, and build up on each other. As we got closer and closer to the exhibition date, we thought we would be wrapping up and starting to plan the school event. But before we could do that,
台湾新冠肺炎单日新增89352例，其中单日死亡个案创新高。
法制局就建议高中以下学校直接停课到5月底或6月底的学期末。
As COVID rates rapidly increased in Taiwan, even some of our teachers and classmates tested positive too. From the 9th of May, the school announced that we need to go on lockdown. We had to throw away everything that we had planned for the school exhibition and change to planning it on GatherTown.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm William.
Since we were affected by the pandemic, we started online classes.
We are mostly doing different tasks for individuals, so it's not affecting us that much.
I think it's fine because we are basically using other apps to do our work. Like, I'm responsible for social media and I need to post posters on Instagram, so I will use Canva to do the posters. And for me, I think working on our own at home can make me be more concentrated, but the only problem I think is it might be a little bit hard to communicate.
I cannot talk to people in person, so sometimes we have to email each other back and forth just to ask for feedback. Or due to bad connection, we might misunderstand something.
Though I still appreciate it that I have responsible leaders in my team, so I'm able to keep track on what I'm doing.
The exhibition team is led by Maddie. They had to build the space that you're seeing here on GatherTown.
Doing the exhibition online is quite fun. We get to insert our deliverables clearly into an object, so the guests could just press X and interact and see what we've done this semester. The difficult part would be setting up the whole exhibition space. Since only one of us can edit the map at one time, it slows down the entire making process. Initially, I thought it would be a bad idea because it's hard for us to present everything visually on GatherTown. But thinking in the big picture, GatherTown would be the best option for now due to the pandemic, and so that more guests could just join us online. In general, setting up the exhibition space in GatherTown is definitely a big challenge for the exhibition team, but it is still a great experience working with everyone and building this exhibition together.
In the planning of the event, design and product team both made things to hopefully encourage our guests to interact and engage more. The product team is making a t-shirt customization service.
Hello, I'm Charlotte from the Taipei design group, and I came up with the customized shirts because I thought maybe if we can put what they want on the shirt and everyone could be happy on it, and we can increase a lot of sales on our shirts. And since we turning from the exhibition to online, so we open a Shopee account so people can order it easier on the internet.
And the design team made a couple of stickers.
Hi, my name is Miracle, and I'm from the design team. We're making the platypus stickers. We first made our brand research document to see what our client wants. Our brand package is to create weird and cute themes. We're trying to create a sticker that will attract their attention. The sticker is trying to make the platypus look like an office worker who just got up from work. And we tried many colors for the platypus to see which one fits the most and looks the best.
And all of that leads to today, to you watching this video on our exhibition. We have worked so hard and learned so much throughout this semester. We know it looks just like a project to you, but for us, it's lots and lots of late nights, weekends, working and worrying, trying to make everything perfect. But most of all, we have all pushed ourselves in doing something we never thought we were capable of. We appreciate and want to say thank you for coming, and thank you to everybody who have helped us along the way. It's been really, really fun for us, and we hope it will be for you too.